Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Amish golden stew. Alright, I'm starting out a stock pot. I have 2 pounds of ham that I cut up into cubes. I have 1 onion I diced up and 4 red skin potatoes with the skin on. I cut up into bite-sized pieces. You could also use russet potatoes and peel them, or even peel the red ones if you don't like the skin. I leave the skin on, so paper thin is no big deal. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of salt in here. And I'm going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to bring this up to a boil and gently boil it for about 10 minutes to start to soften up the potatoes. Alright, now at this point for that 10 minutes, I tasted it for seasoning. Let's go down salt. I'm going to add in some black pepper. About a half a teaspoon or so. And I just bumped the camera, excuse me. I'm going to add in a can of cheddar cheese soup. And I have my temperature set at medium. I'm probably going to turn it down just a little bit. Turn it down between medium and low. This here is a 10.5 ounce can of cheddar cheese soup. And as this cooks, the soup will loosen up and not be so clumpy. And I'm going to add in a 10.5 ounce can of cream of celery soup. Open that up. Okay, I have a 12 ounce bag of frozen sliced carrots. I'm going to add that in. And I have a 12 ounce bag of frozen peas. I'm going to add that in. Well, just about all of it. About 3/4 of it. Give that a stir. Get those soups mixed in. I'm going to turn my heat back up. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and I'm going to cut my heat back to medium low. And I'm going to allow this to gently boil for 10 more minutes. That will cook the peas and the carrots through and finish cooking those potatoes. Alright, my stew is done. Now I'm going to finish it up by adding in some fresh chopped parsley. It's about a tablespoon. You can also use dry if you don't have fresh on hand. And I'm stirring that in. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Right, let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to start with a piece of ham. Ham's tender, flavorful. It's creamy, cheesy, well seasoned. Guys, that was really easy. It's really delicious. Amish golden stew. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.